Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, as you guys read by the title, we are going to be doing a taste test for Subway's new Korean barbecue chicken sandwich. Right, I personally, when I hear Korean, I think of sweet. Right, I made a Korean fried chicken already. I followed a recipe. It was sweet and delicious. There's this place in Marvel Road called Golden Bells that sells Korean fried chicken. Well, they sell Korean food, and once again, sweet and delicious. So my expectations are pretty high, but you all know I love Subway. You all know I stand Subway. So I'm on my way to Subway Westby's location. So yes, stay tuned.
Come vibe with me. Come laugh with me. Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe to Jaylanas, yeah.
So I'm about to do this taste test. You see Jaden there? Oh! Jaden watching me like how you come out, please. Okay, so I forgot to tell you all how I dressed mine. So I put mine with tomatoes and sweet onion. I have like a staple order with Subway. It's always buy a Subway melt with tomatoes and sweet onion. So if I'm trying another sandwich, I'll just take the same thing because I don't know, that's just how I am. But this tastes good. This tastes good. It really does. It is sweet. It tastes different. Out of 10, let me see. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10. Definitely, if you're trying it, probably try it with more veggies. Once Jaden likes it, you know it isn't good because he is the pickiest eater in life. But I believe this just came out yesterday, so you guys should definitely give it a try. It's a new Korean barbecue chicken from Subway. I'm about to enjoy this, so I'll see you guys in the next clip. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like gyro meat, you know. So if you love gyro, you'll definitely love this. That's how Jaden eating it. He is so, you all don't understand. He don't eat nothing, you know. This boy does eat waffle right through. So for him to eat it, it passed the test. Let's just be honest. Alright guys, and that is it for today's video. Definitely let me know in the comments down below, have you guys tried Subway's new Korean barbecue chicken? If you did, what did you guys think? What is your rating? And if you haven't, definitely give it a try and then let me know what you guys think about it. I personally am going to stick to my Subway melt. I love trying their new sandwiches and stuff, but then I always revert back to my favorite, which is the Subway melt. That's just, oh my god, that's just my favorite. Like right through pregnant, not pregnant, I just love the Subway melt. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Jenny.
Subscribe to Jaylanas. Subscribe.